Hello guys, welcome to presentation video of our day trade EA. Now with this expert advisor we can hello guys, welcome to presentation video of our day trade expert advisor. With this expert advisor we can uh, trade the breakouts of trend line and as well as the retest of support resistance levels, trend lines, supply demand zones, or however you name it. And we can also trade all chart patterns such as channel, triangles, pennants, rising wedge, falling wedge. You can basically trade all the patterns using our day trade EA. Now let's go to settings. Now basically we have two modes on our expert advisor. One is to send alert only. So in this mode it will send only an alert, and whenever there is a breakout or whatever trend lines you have set on the chart, it will send you alert as per those trend lines, and it will not trade them, it will send only alert. You can just go here on allow notification setting true, and then it can send you an pop-up window, and also on your mobile or email if you have uh, MT4 installed on your mobile phone. It can send you updates on your mobile also. Now looking at the trade function, we have maximum orders per instrument, that is the number of trades per chart it will open. If you specify, for default we have one, you can specify if EA can open more trades, more than one trade also per chart. Then this is use stop loss, you can use fixed stop loss, uh, and the EA will open trade with the set number of pips as stop loss. And you can use this stop loss also, or you can use trend line as a stop loss, or there is also a function of using trailing stop loss which you can use. So basically there are three types of stop loss which you can use in this expert advisor. Then this is here you can decide to use take profit. This is the number of pips, you can change it, you can use as per your choice number of pips you want to use as take profit. And apart from this you can also use our trend lines as take profit levels. This is the lot size, the trade size which it will open on breakout or retest of trend line as per your settings. Take profit one close percentage would be the percentage of trade you want to close on test of on touch of take profit levels. So if you are using trend lines as take profit levels, you can easily decide partial close of the trade and what should be the percentage of those partial close. For example, if and you can take three take profit levels, TP1, TP2 and TP on, and you can decide on first take profit level how much percentage of the trade you want to exit. Same on take profit 2, you can change these settings also. And then here it would be if you want to retest reuse the trend lines, because one trend line is used only once as a default setting, which is easier for all traders. When you become very much experienced using day trade EA, you can scalp on same trend line many times, and then you can decide to reuse the function reuse the trend lines, and you will not have to draw it again. Now let's see how it works. I'm applying it on the chart. Now here you can see the types of trend line which we have. TB is the expert advisor which buy on the touch of trend line. TS is it will sell on touch of trend line. BB is the name of we will name the trend line when we want to buy the breakout, and BS buy sell the breakout. Stop loss is the stop loss line. TP1, TP2 and TP are various take profit levels. Now first of all let's see how the touch of trend line work. For example, let me draw this trend line here, and I want price to little bit higher. So let's say, for example, first of all I'm just looking to see the touch. I want to test how touch function work. Touch of trend line, test of trend line. So what I'll do, I will say I want to sell on touch of this trend line, so I will name it TS, and I will name it touch buy, because I want price to buy on touch of the trend line which is below the price. So for example, this would be setting in higher time frame. For example, you have this trend line coming on a daily chart and you want to sell because you know the price may be rejected from here. so you named it TS. And then maybe you want the price to bounce again, but price is moving lower, so you want to buy on the touch of trend line. Okay, so the EA will buy on the touch of trend line, and you will have this nice bounce in which you can take profit. So this is the function in which we have we can buy on touch or buy of trend line. You can trade touch of support resistance level horizontally. Channel also, for example, if you have channel forming over here, you can buy on touch of this and sell on touch of this. But in 1 minute chart I won't be able to show you how it sells. So just to show you how EA works, I have drawn this from where I would like to have a sell trade, and here I would like to have a buy trade with 5 pips profit. So I'm removing another line. So meanwhile we are waiting for this to touch. Here I have a gold chart. What I'll do, I have already applied EA on it, and take profit I have set 20 because gold moves very fast. And here I would like to trade the breakout. So what I'll do is I'll say, okay, this is the trend line in which price is moving higher. If price moves below this, I want to sell the breakout. So I have breakout sell trend line here, and then I have another trend line, this one. Price already break above, however I will put here, and I'll say if price moves above this trend line, I want to buy the breakout. So I have buy the breakout trend line now here. See here, it touched the trend line, and we have a buy trade open. It's really quick, and if you're using a good broker with nice spread, uh, you can see very easily and the profit coming. And here you see it has written used, so that means now the price will again, if price will again touch this trend line, it will not use it because it's already used. When you will be expert in scalping using day trade EA, you can change in setting, and then it will use it again. So you may see many times the price opening another trade also, and you will have to set uh, number of trades per instrument also. Here see, we have seen price closing above a trend line, and we have a buy trade open here also with 20 pips of profit here and 5 pips of profit at this place. Now when price is moving up, we have said that I want only one trade open, so price will touch this trend line, but there will not be any trade open. So that is why that setting is important. Okay, so whichever first trade is open, it will not. If price was below the trend line and it would have closed in profit, then only the next line, the next one will the next trade will open, not before that. So see, gold is moving up nicely, and let's see if we close in profit also the gold scalping trade. And GP also, it's here in same way. Since we have bought in touch, I could have drawn it here another trade with the trend line breakout sell. So if there would have been breakout here or breakout there, it would have bought the breakout. Yep. So you can buy or sell both the trend lines of touch of the trend line and also the breakout of the trend line, and this is especially very useful and very helpful for scalping purpose, because you won't have enough time to put the take profit. See, gold is already closed in take profit, you can see here, and we are waiting for pound. And the best part of this expert advisor is the price is moving in very different way. For example, now see that we have the price possibly closing below this trend line, and since previous trade has closed, if price moves lower, we may have again a sell trade here. Let's wait for it, let's see. But see, price not closed below the trend line. It will only open trade if price closes below trend line. So we have seen many things, and in coming days we will be coming up with uh, many other interesting videos on our day trade EA. And this expert advisor is really helpful for both scalpers as well as swing traders, because you just need to change the time frame. If you are doing it in 4-hour breakout, then it's kind of swing, and if you are doing it in 1 hour, or sorry, a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute chart, then it is more of uh, a scalping trade. but overall structure is same. You can trade the breakout and price is always moving in certain direction. You can just put the trend lines and wait for pattern to show itself, and it will automatically trade also that pattern. See, the price closed below trend line, we have sell trade active. Now let's see if it closed in profit also, the gold one. Especially for gold, it's wonderful if you are using it correctly and wisely. You need to practice a little bit in the demo. And see, there's a spread, so price is below, but still it's not closed. Okay, it's closed in profit. So see, we have drawn two lines and we have closed two trades in profit. So better than this, if you're doing scalping or if you're trading trend lines, I don't know, we have given a lot of thought while developing this EA, and it basically solves most of the problems which traders face regarding time, regarding perfect entry. So you can use it, and if you need any information or assistance, just let us know and we would be happy to help. If you need any more info, write us a mail, contact us on Telegram, or you can just come on our website and chat on it. And that's it. For example, if it was swing, what could I have done? That same in gold. And we are also providing many trade setups in our trading view free. So and with the name of trendlines also, so you can just follow us on trading view and see the new trade ideas, and you can just place the trend lines and enjoy the profit. Now let's see, if it was a swing trade in gold, what I could have done is, I'll say okay, this is the trend line where if it breaks above, I want to buy. Okay, it's a swing, so I'm not trying to sell right now. So what I'll do is, I will set break buy here. Okay, now this is the ascending trend line structure which is supporting my price. So what I'll do is, I will name it SL, and then I will use three take profit level: 1, 2 and 3, and I'll just name them TP1, TP2 and another one TP. So this is, now we have a swing trade setup. Now here, if price breaks above it, it will remain active, and if it keeps on moving higher, if price is breaking above it, it will open a buy trade, and you will remain in the trade till this trend line is valid. If price closes below trend line, you will automatically exit. Otherwise the price will keep moving higher and it will touching your take profit and closing your trade. So this is the swing setup. Anyways, the video has been a little bit longer, but I will be coming with many patterns to trade along with our day trade EA. Stay with us and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and also on TradingView. Thank you.